Today, we are showing you a super simple and completely natural way to scrub your oven without harsh chemicals and without scratching. You only need a few things that you already have at home: 4 to 5 tablespoons of baking soda, apple cider or white vinegar, juice of 1 to 2 lemons, a soft brush or an abrasive sponge, rubber gloves. All of this is natural, safe, cheap, and leaves no harmful residue. In a bowl, mix the baking soda with a little water and the lemon juice until you get a thick paste. The paste should have the consistency of thick yogurt. Preheat the oven to 50 to 60 degrees for a few minutes to soften the dirt, then turn it off. Put on the gloves and use a brush to apply the paste all over the inside of the oven, on the walls, bottom, door, and wire rack. Leave it to act for 15 to 30 minutes. For very dirty ovens, you can leave it for an hour. Next, spray vinegar over the paste. You will see how it foams up nicely and releases the dirt. Scrub the oven in circular motions with a damp sponge. The dirt will literally come off on its own. In the end, rinse everything with clean water and wipe it down with a dry cloth. Here is what your oven should look like after cleaning. Sparkling clean, just like new. And that would be all we have prepared for you for this video. If you like it, follow our YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button. By doing so, you will support our work. And through our work, we certainly support you and wish everyone good health. Warm regards.